how to allow or block music or audio while recording with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app and click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on advanced video option. After click on advanced video option, scroll down to end, you will see audio playback is here. If you want to allow audio playback, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see audio playback is allow. If you want to block audio playback, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see audio playback is block. So you will allow or block audio playback from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can allow or block music or audio while recording with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.